Hey guys, welcome back to my channel where you get exclusive information about natural hair and skincare. Today we are talking about natural hair. I am going to be performing a perm rod set with my natural hair. So if you want to see how this turns out, stay tuned. So I had already washed my hair on Sunday because normally Sundays is my wash day. Today is Friday, so I'm doing a co-wash. And the co-wash I'm going to be using is by As I Am. So as you can see, the As I Am Coconut Co-Wash has a very smooth consistency. The slip in this co-wash is absolutely ridiculous. So if you have not tried this co-wash, I suggest you try this co-wash. Okay, friend? Now, I am not a fan of doing consistent co-washes. I usually shampoo my hair once a week. But if it's in between the week and I need to restyle my hair and I'm not looking to completely strip my hair, then I will do a co-wash. And after I do that co-wash, I will style my hair. Now, as you can see, I like to dance for everything, so just ignore me. You're going to be seeing me dance all the time here, okay? I love you. My styler will be by African Pride, their Moisture Miracle Curl Mousse. So I stumbled across this brush in Sally's, and oh my God, y'all, honey, I am addicted to this brush. Like, you guys are going to see later on how efficient this brush is. And it's not too thick and it's not too thin. It's literally the right consistency and size to go through my hair. And here is my most favorite hairspray, the 360 spray. So make sure to always apply your water before styling. So right now I'm using my 360 spray to apply to my hair, and then I'm going to apply my mousse. Make sure to always detangle after you apply your styler. And yes, yes, this brush is no joke. Like, I'm in love, friend. I am in love. All right, people, so like I previously explained in my other perm rod set video, you are literally going to apply your styler. Then you're going to make sure that you smooth out the ends with the brush, right? After you do that, you apply it to the perm rod. You tighten it around the ends and you roll up, okay? And then you just keep going. If you need more detail, I will put my previous video of my perm rod set in the end screen, and then you can just click on it and go there for more details. Listen, real talk, I used to hate this spray bottle, but now I absolutely love it. I'll explain in another video. Just dance with me, y'all. Just dance with me. So as you can see, I also used the purple perm rods, and that was because I realized that I didn't have enough orange perm rods. So I improvised. So stay tuned. So one of my perm rods popped, which is the little string that you see at the side, but that's okay. We carry on when things happen. So carry on. Now I am using my absolute favorite edge control. It has coconut oil and argan oil in it. It's called Eben. It's a mega hold.